up, YouTube? This is Woody coming back with another ride review. Today we are in Columbus, Ohio at the AM Expo watching a drone, and we're at the Harley Davidson truck and we're getting ready to ride the 2020 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout 114. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this bright orange. I kind of don't hate it. I like it. The thing, you know what the thing I don't like about the paint jobs on these Breakouts right now is the pinstripe. I don't like that pinstriping at all. Alright, so let's start it off right. I am 6'1", 200 pounds. I got a 36-inch inseam, and that's how I fit on the bike. Hopefully you can see that. My leg is touching the breather just barely. Unlike a lot of other people, I'm a huge fan of the forward controls. Being tall with long legs, I definitely appreciate the forwards. Some people complain about them and everything, but I like them. I like them. Comfort is the most important thing.
Hey, got one right here.
What's that, first lane? Oh, gotta love them. Gotta love them. Milwaukee 8, gotta love it. I'm not gonna wait on all this traffic. I'm gonna cut in front of all of it. I love the power. So 114, roughly probably 670 pounds, 660 pounds probably. Around 119 foot-pounds of torque, and that's all you need to know, and a whole lot of fun juice. Whole lot of fun juice. Feels good to get moving. I'm so sweaty. I'm so sweaty. I think that was a chick. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable ride. I rode the 107 a while back and tried to do a ride review on it, but I didn't get the footage for some reason. I think my battery was dead or something died on me, so I ended up getting no footage. So I can kind of speak to the difference in the two. I love the sound of this bike. This 114 sounds superb. I love it. Let's see, what do I got to say about it? I love the clean, minimal look of this bike. I love the long, low, stretched out look of this bike. I love the fat tire on this bike. Most people don't like it. I like it. I don't have a problem turning it. Some people say it turns in slow. Some people say that with the big tire you lose performance or maneuverability. They maneuver fine. It's not a sport bike. You're not supposed to drag knee on it. That was a cool Scout bobber. You're not supposed to drag knee on it. I love this. You got the rev counter, gas gauge. You lose your gear indicator when you're on the clutch. Nice light clutch too, very nice. It grabs right where you want it to. The FXDR that I rode, it grabbed fast. Like as soon as it started moving, it's grabbing, which I didn't like. And then on the Street Glide S, it was heavy, really heavy, which I didn't understand, but I guess if you're going to be doing a lot of long rides on it, stuff like that, you're probably not going to use it as much. But because those are better spent on wide open roads. So self-canceling turn signals. Self-canceling turn signals. Power for days. Pull for days. I think I scared that guy. Short route. This ain't a very long route. This bump up here is going to bounce me off my seat. It's done it on every single Harley that I've rode. Every single one, even the bagger. And the bump is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Right here it is. Bounced me right off the seat. It's intense. It is intense. Very short route. Very crazy on off. Going through these interchanges, but you gotta be on your toes on this route, that's for sure. Earlier I took an alternate route, which I could do if it's too crazy on this. I like this bike. This is right down the alley of what I want. Nice and comfortable, especially for a long, taller guy like me with long legs. Very comfortable. Look at that. I'm not working it, I'm just leaning. I'm thinking it and it's doing it. Nice bike. I think I dig this bright color. I kind of dig it. I gotta get up in front of this car so I can get over. And then I gotta get over again. And then I gotta get over again. I'm gonna try to get in behind this Honda. It's crazy, right? That's a crazy route. But it is what it is. This light is very it is only on this bike and the FXDR, which you don't notice the shape of it as much on the FXDR because of the little fairing on it. It's definitely a different kind of light for sure. It's got a unique look to it. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna go in this lane. I don't know why. I don't know why they keep doing that. Leans in fine. It leans in fine. I love the pull on it. The seat is nice and comfortable. It comes up in the back where the passenger seat is, holding you in place, not moving around on it at all, and I'm not getting pulled off of the seat or anything like that. Anybody knows anything about these, the Milwaukee 8s, knows they're kind of hard to get into neutral. So if you do this while it's still moving, it falls into neutral. Wait till you're below like 10 mile an hour, and it's gonna fall into neutral if you do it before you stop. But sounds good. Like I keep saying on all these reviews of the Softails, I would do a stage 1 on it and be done. I'm not looking to make a land speed record or something on a freaking Softail. It's not a sport bike. Get it a little better sound. It already sounds good, and it looks great. I love this bike. I've always been a fan of them. They look great. So good. We're gonna get it right here. That pull is mind-blowing. The pull on this is mind-blowing. It is so good. Nice to cruise on. Eats up the bumps pretty well. I mean, these are crappy roads, but I mean, it's eating them up. Iowa. Pretty short route though for sure. This is a tough one to see around. Hippies. Good job. What the heck is he doing? He's got a lens for his third eye. Holy crap. Nice and smooth in first gear. Nice and smooth in first gear. Catch the po-po. So this is definitely on my top 3. This is definitely on my top 3 of bikes that I do and want to get. I don't need a bike geared to doing distance because 90% of my riding is to and from work. So this would be alright for me. And you could ride long distance on this bike. I mean, you could. You ain't got storage or anything like that. But as far as comfortable, you could definitely ride this long distance. I don't find my legs rubbing on anything. The fat bob, my leg was definitely rubbing on the top of the jug, and it was hot. I had to keep mindful of that, otherwise it was burning my inside of my leg. Super comfortable, smooth. We're gonna go over this bump one-handed. Not bad, not bad. Handles about as good as my bike does. Nice and comfortable. I've been riding all day long. I rode 2 hours on my bike to get here. I've rode like 6 Softails. I'm gonna ride a Husqvarna. I'm gonna ride Kawasaki ZX6R. So, and if ride reviews are what you like, you definitely need to go check out my channel. I got plenty of ride reviews. I also do just rides or videos of me just riding and talking about stuff. But yeah, if you like this video, this is gonna be the end of the route. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe today. And I'll catch you on the next video. This is Woody.
I love you too.
This is Woody. Peace and I'm out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.